He who laughs best today, will also laughs last. Instinct. When the house burns, one forgets even lunch. Yes, but one eats it later in the ashes. Madness is something rare in individuals but in groups, parties, peoples, ages it is the rule. One has to pay dearly for immortality, one has to die several times while one is still alive. That which needs to be proved cannot be worth much. A matter that becomes clear ceases to concern us. The spiritualization of sensuality is called love. It is a great triumph over Christianity. The lie is a condition of life. To do great things is difficult, but to command great things is more difficult.